Hello students, today in this video we will see what is singly linked list. First of all we will see what is linked list. Linked list is a linear data structure which consists of group of nodes connected in a sequence where each node holds its own data and the address of the next node in the linked list. So here we can say that linked list is a linear data structure in which elements are not stored in a contiguous memory locations. The elements in the linked list are linked using pointers. So here in this diagram you can see that there are three nodes, node 1, node 2, node 3, where each node is having value. Node 1 is having 10, node 2 is having 20 and node 3 is having 30. Node 1 is connected with node 2 with the help of pointer called as next. Similarly, node 2 is also connected with node 3 with the help of pointer next. Linked list is having a beginning as well as end. So start pointer is always connected to the first node in the linked list, and the last node of the linked list, or we can say that the next field of last node in the linked list is having null value, which indicates that there are no more nodes ahead and the node is the last node in the linked list. So here you can see the detailed structure where every node contains two compartments. The first compartment holds the data and the next compartment holds the address of the next node in the linked list. So in the second compartment pointer is stored, which stores the address of the next node of the linked list. So here there is one more pictorial representation of linked list where three nodes are connected. Each node is having data part as well as the address part. Address part stores the pointer. Now there are some advantages of linked list. Linked list is dynamic in nature, which allocates the memory whenever it is required. Insertion and deletion operation in the linked list are easily implemented. Stack and queue with the help of linked list are easily executed, and linked list reduces the access time. There are some disadvantages also. Here every node stores a pointer. So for storing a pointer it requires extra space. In linked list we cannot access any element randomly. Suppose if I want to access any middle element, I cannot access that. If you want to access any element, you have to traverse the linked list from starting to end. Reverse traversing is difficult in linked list. So these are some of the disadvantages. Now there is a difference between array and linked list. Array is a collection of similar type of data, whereas linked list is also ordered collection of elements of the same type, which are connected to each other with the help of pointers. So in array, for connecting the elements there are no use of pointer, whereas in linked list to connect the nodes pointers are required. Array supports random access. Any element can be accessed with the help of index, whereas in linked list it supports an sequential access. To access any node in the linked list we have to traverse it from the first node. In array, elements are stored in a contiguous memory location, means consecutive memory location, whereas in the linked list new elements can be stored anywhere in the memory and there is no contiguous block. Element is stored anywhere in the memory. We have to link the elements with the help of pointers. In array, insertion deletion operation takes more time as the memory is consecutive and fixed, whereas in the linked list new elements is stored at first free or available memory location. So insertion and deletion operations are fast as compared to the array. Size of the array must be specified at the time of its declaration. Array uses static memory allocation technique, whereas linked list is a variable. It grows at runtime, or whenever I want to add any element, I need to allocate the memory for that particular node first, and then I can store the value. That means memory is allocated as per the requirement. So array is static memory allocation, whereas linked list is dynamic memory allocation. In array, each element is independent and can be accessed with the help of an index, whereas in linked list, each node point to the next previous or maybe both the nodes. So here the element is not independent, they are connected with each other. Array has types like single dimensional, two dimensional, multi-dimensional, whereas linked list is also having types like singly linked list, doubly linked list, and circular linked list. These are some applications of linked list. Linked lists are used to implement stack queues and graphs. Linked lists let you insert the element at the beginning and end of the list, and I can say in linked list we don't need to know the size in advance. So these are some of the applications. These are the types of linked list. We can implement the linked list by 3 different ways: singly linked list, doubly linked list, and circular linked list. Thank you.